Hello guys, well welcome back to a brand new tutorial. This is not going to be a Discord.js tutorial, it's something different. I'm going to be making a login form for C# window application. So let's get right into it. Now for this you're going to have to go to Windows Form app, and then you can name anything you want. I'm just going to call this YouTube, and then next, yeah, keep it on 6.0. Now we'll leave the link to Visual Studio 2022, sorry, in the description. Alright, so now we're going to give it a cool little design. So show to the normal form, and you should I'm going to make it in the center. So when you start it up, it's loads in the center, as you can see. Now find form border style and change it to none, so you can put anything there. If you can add images, and then so you can close the what's it called, like the application. But I'm gonna keep it on sizable for now. Well, I'm gonna see if you can. Yeah, I'm gonna keep it as that. And now we're just gonna change the name, as you can see, and then I can make it change the background to, I recommend changing it to 30, and 30 again. Now let's just try and, now we're gonna add like a label. Yep, you can see here. Change it from login page. Then we're gonna change like the font and stuff. Change. You can put this anything really. Then I'm just gonna change the color to about white. Yeah, it looks pretty good. Now I'm just gonna put should put a label, or and then I'm just gonna put this here, and then we're gonna call it user name. Hold on, I'll be right back. Alright, so I'm back. And so what we need to do is add a text box. You can put this as long as you want. And then we're actually going to need to change it. So when we log in, where's name? It's called user. This is going to help the code when we actually put it in. Let's just test it out, see if we can write in it. Yep. Close that. It's going to line it up. Then we're going to make it, I can make it like a black. Oh, no, you can't really see that. Something that you can see. Dim. Oh, never mind. Back color. Yeah. Just a dim. Yeah. Yep, I reckon that's good. And close this. Add another label. And then we're gonna call it password. So just call it pass. Or you can have password, that doesn't really matter. Just gonna copy this, put it as the same thing, but we need to change the name to pass. I'm pretty sure. Yeah, it should just be pass. and just call it pass. Yeah, as you can see, it changed up here, but obviously you can do anything you want to this, make a better design, but I'm just gonna add a button. Then it's gonna make it, let's log in. Oh, never mind, sorry. Just gotta come up here and find it. And then I'm just gonna call it login. Yep. And now you can, don't know, I'm probably not gonna change this, but now it's a good thing that we change the username and pass. So when we go log in, I will leave this code in the description, but this code we're gonna be using a paste bin, which I'll show you how to do that. So I've changed this code up a bit myself. So let's come back over to here. And now it's gonna make a new form. Go up to here, and then was add, and then should see Windows Forms, and just call it that. Well, anything you want really, but come back over here, paste that in. There's gonna be some issues because, yeah, since I actually use this for my other project, so gonna have to use system.net, and now it's gonna call this form 2. Yeah, so now we're gonna be creating the paste bin URL, right? So leave this as none. Oh well, we'll make it. Let's call it user, and then test. And then I recommend putting this as unlisted, so like it doesn't list up in any of like public pastes. And then just click create new paste, and then you're gonna find raw. So click on that, and copy this. Now I do not recommend putting this in like a proper application, otherwise it will be cracked, and then you're gonna lose all your password information. So our username was user, and then test, login. Welcome back. And then as you can tell, this is a short video, but that's just a quick and easy tutorial how to make a login page. Thank you.